This is a super cute dress, center view from Zeagoo. It is so like flowy and comfortable. It is lightweight, but not like a breezy lightweight, if that makes sense. I love these sleeves. They're kind of like fitted-ish and then have this little frill. A really comfy elastic waist. And then kind of a T-length that's right below my knees. I'm 5'8", 135 pounds, true to size. It does really flow nicely for twirling. And it doesn't come with a sash, but I had this from bathing suits that I had, and it's like the perfect match. I just have to show you this because just give you an idea of how you can accessorize, but how stinking cute. I feel like I'm straight out of Sound of Music or something. Like, oh my gosh. This is perfect for a beach vacation, going to Greece, Europe. I mean, I'm taking this to Japan with me. Oh my gosh, I love it. Slight V-neck, modest again. And up here, nice coverage. So if you're out in the sun and stuff, it's gonna protect your shoulders. You just need like a big hat to protect your face and neck. You're good to go. It has pockets. Oh my gosh, and it's so comfortable, honestly.